Hello guys! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. Reading po ito for Earth Sign. Let's start your reading. Please do comment down below ha. Heart lang. Smileys. Malaking bagay na yun sa akin. And pwede kang magpa-personal reading Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na siya sa Facebook. Sa TikTok meron din siya. And meron din akong TikTok guys. Unicorn Princess Tarot. Please do check it out. And this is for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's start your reading. One last shuffle. Okay. Thank you, Spirit guides, angel guides. Oh, wow. Ang lakas ng energy. You do have here the Four of Cups, the Three of Cups, and this is Four of Coins. And the one more card, this is the Hierophant. Ayan. By the way, hindi ako nagbabasa ng reversal. Babasahin ko lang yung card ng reversal pag naramdaman ko yung energy ng reversal. Wait lang guys ha. Inom lang ako ng tsaa. Okay. The Ace of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Earth sign. May nakikita tayong mga kaibigan na ganito ang sitwasyon na this could be you or ito yung mga kaibigan mo mismo. Pwedeng ikaw ito na parang mailap or malayo ka sa kanila because why? You're already mature. Parang ganun. Hindi mo na kailangan itong mga to. Or maybe you have your own problems. This is you na parang medyo humihiwalay or lumalayo ka dito sa mga taong to because, alam mo yun, mas focus ka sa money, mas focus ka sa pag-iipon, mas focus ka sa sarili mo. And or, this could be the energy of your kaibigan or mga kaibigan na parang hindi na sila sure sa'yo or hindi na sila sure kung magkakaroon pa ba ng reconciliation sa inyo, pagkikita sa inyo. Ito yung mga kaibigan na parang tinatry nilang protektahan yung sarili nila. Hindi naman ibig sabihin kasi masama ka or what. But, maybe they need to focus more sa kanilang sarili or sa kanilang finances. Na maybe kasi kaya hindi mangyari yung reconciliation or pagkikita sa inyo ng mga kaibigan na ito. Kasi financially kailangan nila or, you know, I feel like pwedeng, yung iba naman kasi, pwedeng gusto naman nila ng reconciliation with you, kaya lang hindi sila sure kung possible pa bang mangyari yun, especially nga, financially kasi hindi sila okay. So, ganun yung nakikita natin, ano. And you do have here the Ace of Swords, you have new ideas na nakikita natin, and these ideas, we do have here the Five of Swords. Wait lang, yan ang sinasabi. Huwag kang biglang magdedesisyon with the Two of Swords. Pag-isipan mo mabuti. You know, kasi the Ace of Swords, marami kang mga bagong ideas. Marami kang naiisip, marami kang gustong gawin, marami kang gustong simulan. But with the Five of Wands, pwedeng, hindi ko naman nakikita may kinalaman, hindi ko naman nakikita magkakaroon ng problema financially. Hindi man ganon. But the problem is pwedeng emotionally or pwedeng may mga taong involved na pwedeng magkaroon ng pag-aaway, pagkakagulo dahil sa specific na decision mo regarding dito sa bagay na to. So, the moon is here. The moon is a silent card. It's like a person na very secretive. It's like a person na wag munang nagmamadali. It's like a person na parang, you know, it's like an energy of at peace na tao. So, you have to be careful sa paggawa ng desisyon ngayon. It's telling you no. Kung kailangan mo ng sign, this card is telling you no. No? Tapos may nakita tayo ditong number, which is, this is the number 44. Ayan, the number 44 is like telling you na parang, especially if maybe your age is already 44, or maybe if you do have a partner, yung age niya is 44, or yung birthday has something to do with the number 4 or number 3. So, if your birthdays ay tumapat sa ganon, this is like a sign for you na maglaylo and mag-focus sa iyong stability. Whatever is already stable sa buhay mo, you have a stable job, you have a stable career, mag-focus ka doon. Yun yung sign na pinapakita dito. And I can see friends na, or kung hindi friends, I told you these are stable, no? Kung ano yung mga siguradong nasa buhay mo ngayon, like maybe yung friends mo ngayon, or maybe mga colleagues mo, katrabaho mo, pamilya mo, kung ano yung mga strong, yung mga relationships sa'yo ngayon, doon ka mag-concentrate. And yeah, don't mind the new beginnings for now. Okay, wag mo munang pansinin. And let's focus on your situation. Pag anuhan naman natin itong situation mo, no? Tell me about the situation for Earth sign, please. Situation para sa mga Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Situation para sa mga Earth sign, please. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. Situation, yeah, you do have your family. This is a good energy here with the family. Bakit? Kasi yan, there's sign, yan, may mga angel numbers tayo, signs 11 11 2 2 2 3 3 3, and I can see the number 8 here na parang nagpapakita as infinity. It's like something na you have now, nakikita natin na magiging kasama mo siya or sila, or itong, sabi ko nga kung ano yung stable sa'yo, nakikita natin as stable talaga to. Yan. And when you add the number 4 at 4, number 8 ang kakalabasan, which is an infinity sign. So, kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, hindi natin nakikita na mawawala pa yan sa'yo. So, mag-concentrate ka dyan. Mag-focus ka dyan kung paano mo yan mas mapapag-grow. Okay? Kung paano mo mas mapapag-grow. Okay? And, you do have your intervention. And, the karmic is here. So, for some of you na may kinalaman sa love or soulmate, connection, nakakakita tayo ng, ito yung, kung may kakonek kang, kung soulmate mo yung kakonek mo, or twin flame, this is like energy of spiritual connection. Alam mo yan, pero, syempre, kung hindi naman soulmate yung kakonek mo, or wala kang kakonek na soulmate, wag mo tong kunin. Kasi this is for soulmate connections lang, no? Nakakakita tayo dito ng your soulmate is still holding on. Kahit pa may third party na involved sa inyo, which is I can see a third party, your person is still holding on. No? Hindi ka lang niya kayang i-save, or vice versa, hindi mo lang siya kayang i-save from a karmic relationship. Yung parang maybe yung connection nila, relationship nila ng person niya is trash. There's poison. So, very, very toxic. Sabihin na natin ganun. Hindi maganda yung relationship. Maganda lang tignan kasi, or maybe, ang pinapakita nila sa tao is okay lang. Pero definitely, there's something wrong sa kanilang relationship. And hindi mo lang siya kayang i-save from that relationship. Kasi hindi naman siya humihingi ng tulong. Hindi naman siya nagsasabi, help me. Wala naman siya sinasabing gano'n. Or for some of you, vice versa ang energy. If you are currently in a karmic relationship, pwedeng gusto ka niyang i-save, hindi siya nagla-let go sa'yo, pero hindi ka niya magawang i-save kasi hindi ka naman nagsasalita ng tulungan mo ko. I mean, maybe ina-expect ng person na ito na kung ikaw ito, no, na nasa sitwasyon na yun, kaya mo namang alisan yan. Kaya mo namang umalis dyan sa sitwasyon na yan. Pero ba't mo pinipiling mag-stay? Maybe okay lang naman sa'yo. Maybe wala namang talagang problema. So, your person, hindi pa rin siya nagla-let go, pero hinahayaan niya lang kung ano yung nangyayaring separation sa inyo. Okay? And or vice versa. So, what will happen in the near future for you? In the near future for Earth sign. In the near future for Earth sign, please, Spirit guides, angel guides. Wait lang guys, ha? I do have the Ten of Swords, 8 of Wands. Inom lang ako ng tsaa. Okay. Eight of Wands, the Nine of Cups, and the Eight of Cups. The Five of Cups is here, the Star at the bottom of the deck. I want to clarify this. Please clarify these 4 cards. 8 of Coins, 9 of Cups, and 8 of Wands. Trash is at the bottom of the deck. You do have your children and interlude. Medyo magkakaroon ng mga kaabang-abang na pangyayari in the near future. Maybe something to do with your family. The 8 of Wands is like a family member. Maybe someone na close sa'yo or someone na malapit sa'yo. And I can see na may mga kaabang-abang na pangyayari dito. There's children, maybe may kinalaman sa bata or may kinalaman sa pagbubuntis, maybe news of pregnancy for what I can see here. The Nine of Cups is like happy naman yung yung outcome, or happy naman. This would be a happy kind of thing na pangyayari. Pero, syempre, there's ending here with the Ten of Swords. And might be, alam mo, nakikita ko energy mo actually is the Eight of Coins, yeah. Nakakita tayo dito ng you being a hardworking person. Nakakita tayo na maaaring the Five of Coins is here. Why do you feel like kahit nagtatrabaho ka, you're not happy? Parang gusto mo lagi may pagbabago. So, nakikita ko naman okay ka naman. I mean, why are you sad? You're stressing yourself in the near future. You're being sad. So, nakikita naman natin na you're okay. Maybe you feel like parang kulang ang efforts mo, kulang yung, parang hindi nag-grow. Pero sa nakikita naman natin dito, meron ka na something, pero hindi mo yun na-appreciate kasi mas nakikita mo yung mga wala. Mas nakikita mo yung mga, nakakoncentrate ka sa insecurities mo in the near future rather than sa mga bagay na kapag mapagmalaki na sa'yo. Nakakoncentrate ka doon sa negative instead of the positive. So, tell me about this. Yeah, you do have here the Justice card. Ace of Pentacles. I can see new job para sa iba, new career. Yan. Nakita tayo ng mga new job or new career for some of you. Tell me about this. Nakakahamoy ako ng basura. I don't know kung malapit ka ba sa basurahan or magtatapon ka dapat ng basura, whatever. The Queen of Wands is here. Yeah, may basura. Or may dumaan na basura sa inyo. Eight of Cups is here. The Queen of Wands. Nakakita ko ng friend dito na may magandang balita sa'yo. Three of Swords and the Magician. Tell me about this. The Sun. I feel like there's someone na babalik sa buhay mo and maybe this is a friend and may someone na hindi masaya dito. The Three of Swords is here. Someone is getting angry, mad about the situation. I can see you being happy though with the Sun. Nakikita ko na magiging masaya ka. Kasi maybe you miss this person. The Six of Coins, may pagtutulungan sa inyo nitong taong to. Someone is really not happy. Five of Swords. May nakikita akong person dito na magbabalik or dadating sa buhay mo, babalik itong taong ito. Pero may someone na hindi matutuwa sa pagbabalik niya. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. I love you all, guys. Thank you for watching. And please do follow me on TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. I love you all and bye-bye.